Why is Earth the habitable planet? Well, one, you have warmth. Because Earth has an insulated atmosphere, this is what keeps the Earth warm. This is a huge factor on why the Earth is the habitable planet. Next, we have the processes. The processes that shape the Earth and its environment constantly cycle the elements through the planet. This cycling sustains life and leads to the formation of the mineral and energy resources that are the foundation of modern technological society. Next, we have the components. The Earth has the right chemical ingredients for life, which include water and carbon. The next, we have distance. The distance from the sun is another factor that keeps Earth habitable. The Earth is a comfortable distance away from the sun, but it is far enough away to be out of the heavy heat and radiation zone, but not so far that we aren't extremely cold. This just right distance is called the habitable zone. And lastly, we have protection. The Earth is protected by harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field.